But that's why you need to have these conversations with one another and being on the same page so that no matter who's around for the tomfoolery when it happens, you or your spouse or the teacher, whatever. I mean, you might have issues that you're working, cohesively with whoever's caring for your children. And I can promise you as a teacher, if there's an ongoing issue at your house and at school and you go up to that teacher and you say, look, this is a problem and this is how we're dealing with it. I just want to let you know, and this is what I need for you to do when this happens so that we're on the same page and they're hearing, they will kiss your feet. Because that never happens. It's always the other way around. So be on the same page. Have time that you can talk with your spouse about these very kinds of things. Don't discuss it in front of your children. When our kids were younger, they couldn't come in the kitchen while we were preparing dinner. And that was a time for my husband and I to reconnect at the end of the day. It was about 30 minutes, whatever it took to prepare dinner. They weren't allowed in there. They can entertain themselves, as long as it doesn't get too quiet. You're good, right? Just, again, set yourself up for success in these instances. So you can also do what we call talk about Christmas, right? Like if you just need some quiet time, you go in your room, you shut the door, the two of you. Maybe you need to talk about stuff. Maybe you just need to be a married couple. Whatever you need to do back there. Don't forget about that part. I do marriage stuff. I'm not going to talk about that right now. But don't deny yourselves and each other intimacy, okay? Ladies, it's y'all. He's always ready. That's how God made him. That's good. It's a good balance, because if it wasn't it's like yin and yang, that's how it goes. Anyway, so you tell your kids, we're talking about Christmas. You knock on the door, you're not getting squat for Christmas. It's July. Well, it's going to be a big year.